Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi. So today we'll be doing a full face makeup using only Blue Heaven products. So let's get started with the video. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Aditi. I make videos related to lifestyle and DIYs and so on. So I would like to request you to take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. Whenever I post a video, you get notified. Without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So first of all, I have already washed my face using a face wash. Now I am just tying up my hair so that वो आगे ना आए. The first step would be the primer. So this is a flawless makeup base primer. It says that it gives a silk matte prime finish, and I feel it does gives too. I have used the primer once. So the MRP of the primer is rupees 300. I got it for rupees 240. Quite cheap and affordable. Use it. 1, 2. It also says that it fills pores. So it is a silicone based primer. Honestly, I don't like the primer because gel wala effect hai. I don't know if it is common in every primer, but I just don't like this. It is surely giving a finish, but I am not a fan of it. I feel I can replace my primer with moisturizer easily, so I don't think it's really necessary if you don't have large pores. Towards the foundation, now Blue Heaven really makes affordable foundation, but also a negative side that variety of shades in it. Variety of shades, it only suitable for fair skin tone people. If you are someone who is fair skin tone, you can even get Blue Heaven foundation just from rupees 64 only. But since I am not, so I got this one. This is their foundation stick. Got it in the shade Toffee. It is the MRP of this primer is rupees 100, and I think I got it for rupees 70. It says that it has a 12-hour stay. Now let's see. And it also says that it is waterproof. I genuinely love the packaging of it. Means it is very lit. Basically, I love the orange color ka dabba. Very fluorescent, and I genuinely like it. This is how the stick looks like. And this is my first time using a foundation stick even. So let's see. You can see this shade matches my skin tone very nicely, so I'll just blend it out evenly. The finish is quite nice. It blends out perfectly. Means उतना cakey भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. It is a good match. So for concealer, I went for this concealer. It is the Flawless Liquid Concealer. It also says that it is a 12-hour stay, and the MRP of this is rupees 150. I don't know. I forgot actually how much I got it for. I will mention. It says that it is waterproof and lightweight. So let's check it out. Lightweight, and it is in the shade Toffee. It is easily blended. I mean, this is totally a thumbs up. Now बहुत ही अच्छा जा रहा है, and actually I trust Blue Heaven makeup products because they work for me actually. So for the contouring part, I got the concealer only in the darkest shade. I got the darkest shade even. The shade name is Chocolate. We have already used the concealer, the lighter shade concealer, so that is really nice and blendable. So finally we are half done with the face makeup. Now let's straight dive into the eyes. First conceal my eyes using the concealer in the shade Toffee itself. I actually love the fact that how the concealer is really lightweight and easily blendable. And it also gives a good coverage even. It doesn't give you a full coverage, but it gives you a light to medium coverage. To the eyeshadow palette, they had like a huge variety, and this is the cheapest eyeshadow palette. I will suggest you please don't go for this eyeshadow because the colors are really pretty. It's nice, but It is not at all pigmented. It doesn't does it purpose nicely. They also have their matte eyeshadow. I will suggest you to go for that instead of this. So all the colors are in the shimmer shade. ये टूट भी गया है. So I don't prefer this eyeshadow. I think it is for rupees 100. Rather than I will suggest you go for their like matte eyeshadows. They may work, but this not at all a hit even. Try on. I will be using this blue color. This is it. I don't think it is like worthy. Means you can even get more nice eyeshadows in this price itself. You can get NYP eyeshadows or any other eyeshadows, but I will suggest don't go for this palette at least. You can go for the matte shades even. Because I have already tried out this eyeshadow palette. I was not at all impressed. This first eyeshadow palette and I was totally not impressed. So I just thought of trying out the glitter eyeshadows this time. The MRP of this eyeshadow is for 175 and I think I got it for like 100. I will mention it comes in like 6 different colors. The shade Shooting Star for this because I feel the color is really nice. You can also get it in various other colors. As I say, there are 6 different colors. The product actually looks like. Let's do a metallic eye. So the shine is quite nice. I like it. This is definitely a hit because you need to take a little amount and your eyes will be done perfectly. So this is definitely a hit. You can try out the different colors and this one even. The content, the total content is 4 ml and I think it will last for a very long time because you just need to take a little bit of amount and you are done. Your eyes are pretty done. I will be using their kajal. The kajal is really nice. I am using it like for a very long time and it is really nice. By just putting one stroke, you can see that it is how much pigmented. It is really nice, but it says that it is waterproof, sponge proof, but it is not. Means you can easily rub it. It is not at all, but I don't think in 75 rupees you will get such a good quality kajal because rather than that the quality is really nice. You can just apply once and it will be done. It is so pigmented, so nice. In fact, it also comes with a sharpener. Straight forward towards the mascara. The mascara is also quite pigmented. The mascara is also quite pigmented, but it is not really waterproof. It claims to be waterproof, but it is not really waterproof. The formula is nice. It uplifts your eyelashes very nicely, but it is not really smudge proof, waterproof. It claims to be, but it is not. It says that it is a long stay. Yes, it do have a long stay, but just keep in mind it is not waterproof. And of course, I don't think in such a cheap price you will get any waterproof mascara. This is it for the eyes. I thought of applying the eyeliner too, but at this point I am not able to get my eyeliner. मैं पता नहीं कहाँ रख दी, मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा है. I think it is looking pretty normal, simple and nice. I guess I'm using the Super Jet Black eyeliner. It does great for me. Going towards to setting our makeup. Our makeup is very important so that our makeup doesn't look cakey and it lasts long. So using the Blue Heaven Flawless Finishing Powder. It says it gives a long stay and matte finish and gives a good finish too. I am using it for a very long time and I'm loving it honestly. You just need to dab your beauty blender or your brush and just apply it on the areas that you sweat there a lot. So for me, it's in these areas that I sweat a lot. I finish applying the Flawless Finishing Powder. I used to wait for like 2 minutes. Now sometimes I do wait for 1 minute even or even less. The longer you wait, the more your base becomes flawless actually. But since I lack in patience, I just brush it off. And moreover, I am not going anywhere, so I just brush it off. Or maybe if I need to go somewhere wearing this makeup, then I would wait. But since I am not going, I don't wait much. Photos and everything is really simple. You just can brush it off after some seconds only. But if you need to go somewhere, you should wait. I will suggest that. The benefit of this is that this part won't be cakey. Next step would be highlighter for me, but I didn't find any highlighter of Blue Heaven. Maybe they don't have, or maybe I didn't get. So moving straight forward towards their blush. Again, this blush is owned by me from a very long time. I won't say that this blush performs a very good purpose, but it does do its purpose too. In the shade 502, I think there are like 2 to 3 shades more. The best thing about this blush is the smell. It literally smells like vanilla. If you're someone who loves vanilla flavor or loves the smell of it, then you can definitely try this on. I apply my blush only at the high ends of my face so that my face looks a little bit uplifted. I think we are done with the full face, but of course the lipstick is left out. Blue Heaven does a great job in their lipsticks. Means I have used the liquid matte lipsticks, even there does a pretty good job, but this time I got this lipstick. This is actually a lip liner, but I thought of trying this out as a lipstick also. It is a long stay. The MRP of this lipstick is 75 rupees and I got it like for rupees 60 or something. I got it in the shade number 4. So let's just open it first. This is what the inner packaging looks like. This is the color of the lipstick actually, and I feel the color is really nice. I actually love red lipstick, so let's try this on. This is how the lipstick color looks like on my skin tone. Who is lighter than me, this will look like a pure red on your lips, so just think before you buy. If you love like hot red lips, then this is a good match for you. And for my shade also, I feel this does a pretty good job. It is looking nice. Our makeup is done and now it's time to set our makeup. For setting our makeup, I got the Blue Heaven setting spray. The MRP of this product is 300 and I got it for rupees like 240. This is how the packaging looks like. It will set our makeup and then we'll be good to go. Just all over your face, maintaining a distance. It has a slightly like a smell and I don't know what the smell is, and I don't know if this is common, but I actually don't like the smell. It gives a silk matte finish and this product is a hit itself, but I don't like the smell of it. How the final look looks like, and I am pretty impressed and pretty satisfied too. It looks really nice. I think I feel that Blue Heaven does a pretty good job, as I said earlier even. So yeah, this is totally a hit. So comment down below what you want to see in my next upcoming videos, which brand you want to see. I will love to do that on my channel. Wait for this video. If you have liked anything about the video, hit the like button and also subscribe button. So bye my gems, see you again in my next video.